My profile. This feels like the settings room of the account.
It is exactly that, the one page that holds who you are to the platform, your personal details, your KYC status, your voice preferences, and your subscription. Nothing here trades, everything here is about your account itself. A calm place to check that all is in order.
So I would come here to check my details are right.
That, and to see your plan and when it renews. We will not change anything today. These are your live account settings, but by the end you will know exactly what each card is for and when you would visit it.
The first card is personal details: name, email, mobile, and so on.
The identity your account was opened with. Your name and email are your login identity, so those are fixed here. Changing your login email is a support action, not a casual edit, for obvious security reasons. Your contact and address details round out the record.
So my email here is the same one I sign in with.
The very same, and it is where every important notice goes: a trade fired, a session that needs reconnecting, a renewal coming due. Keeping an inbox you actually read on this account is part of using the platform well.
The KYC card shows a status: verified, approved.
KYC is Know Your Customer, the identity verification every regulated financial platform requires. Two things must be true before you can trade: your documents are verified, and an administrator has approved your account. This card shows both at a glance.
And the PAN and Aadhaar rows?
The documents you submitted during onboarding held securely and shown only masked, never in full on screen. If your status ever read pending or rejected, this is the card that would tell you, and trading would be paused until it cleared. Here, everything is green.
There is a voice and alerts card too, with a language choice.
A small but lovely feature: the platform can speak to you. Turn on trade voice alerts and it announces aloud when a trade enters, hits its target, or it stops, so you can step away from the screen and still know what happened. You can even choose English or Hindi for the voice.
And it settles on this device only?
The voice plays on whichever device has the tab open, a sensible privacy choice. This is only a glimpse. There is a whole lesson on voice, where you can even place a trade just by speaking to the assistant. For now, know that the toggle's live right here.
The subscription card shows my plan, when it started, and a renewal date.
Your access, at a glance. The plan name, an active badge, the start date, and most importantly the renewal or expiry date. Trading is gated on this staying active, so this date is one worth knowing. There is also an auto-renew switch that decides whether it continues on its own.
So if this lapses, My auto trading pauses.
It does, and the platform warns you well before, by email and on screen, so a lapse never surprises you. It is the same idea as everything else here. Important dates and states are shown plainly, never buried.
Under it, change plan, and manage or renew.
Your two levers for the subscription. Change plan lets you move up or down a tier, manage or renew is where you pay to extend. There is an honest warning right there: switching plans forfeits the days left on your current one, with no refund, and the new renewal date starts fresh. No hidden surprises.
And there is a whole lesson on plans and payment.
There is renewing, upgrading, and downgrading, each have their own walkthrough. Here it is enough to know that your plan lives on this card, and everything about changing it starts from these two buttons. I will not press them on a live account.
So when do I actually come to this page?
Rarely, and that is a good sign. You check it when you first onboard, when your plan is due to renew, or when you want to change a voice setting. The rest of the time it just quietly holds your identity, your verification, and your plan all in order, all in one place.
And about device security, is that here too?
Your account is bound to a limited number of devices for safety, so a stranger with your password still cannot sign in from their own machine. That protection runs quietly in the background, and if you ever change phones, support resets your devices for you. Security you rarely see is exactly the security that works.